This is how to get started setting up and using the touch keyboard. The touch keyboard comes with two rotary dials on the sides, a touch screen in the middle. Around each rotary dial there are buttons for your thumbs, as well as buttons on the top of the rotary dials for your index finger. The touch keyboard is powered on by holding the two top buttons. When the touch keyboard is on, you can see the battery status and connection status on the top. In the top menu, you can access the device settings. You can adjust the brightness. You can turn the wireless connection on or off. And you can set a sleep timer for the screen. Connect the touch keyboard to the Equinox or Affinity Suite by inserting a USB-C cable at the top of the device. Next, connect the USB-C cable to the PC. With the cable in place, launch the Affinity or Equinox Suite. Once you are connected to the suite, you can open your top menu again to select the test you want to perform. This list can be configured in the software suite. Once the keyboard has been connected to the suite for the first time, it can run wirelessly. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.